On Chevy Cruz 2015, recently I replaced camshaft position sensor, one in the front, one in the back. Around the same time, on separate video, I replaced valve timing solenoid, one in front, one in the back. If you subscribe to my channel, you'll be able to see both videos. That was due to some issues and codes telling that needs to be replaced. But this time, on this video, learning about all these issues and learning about different things, I decided, actually driver of this car decided, because part is inexpensive, to replace mass airflow sensor. I already have a part, and let's see what it takes to do so. Here is the part, original. To take the old part out, we need Phillips screwdriver. There is two of them, two screws, top and bottom. Take this connector off and we will have access to sensor. To take the electrical connector off, on the bottom there is a red tab that we need to pull back and slide connector off. I already did that. This is that red tab that goes in and out in order to take it off. To take screws out, we need to use Phillips screwdriver. Once screws are out, all we need to do is gently pull out, and this is it. It's always nice to compare parts, and in this case it's same exact part made by Bosch, same part number. Put it in is easy, just snap it in. Once screws are in, connector will just snap on, and on the bottom we need to push that red button to lock it and secure it. Fairly easy job to do. Now that I have changed mass airflow sensor, I also purchased so-called MAF sensor, which is here. And like I said, if you subscribe to my channel, you'll be able to see next video, which is what I'm going to do next. Easy job, no problem at all. I think it will help overall performance on 180,000 miles. Thank you for watching. If you will have any questions or comments, I'll appreciate it. Till next project.